Hi, my name is Don Green from DG Digital Services. I'm just going to do a quick site audit on your website and just show you three things that we can do today that can help start ranking and getting that phone to ring just a little bit more. So I'm just doing this for you so you can know what you can do to fix whatever it is may need fixing. If you've got your own person that does your IT in it, just forward it on to them, that's fine. I'm not doing it so you need to use me, but if you wanted any other information, I'm here to answer. So the three things I'll talk about first is content, backlinks, and citations. So with content, Google likes to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content on a site's homepage. So therefore, when people do searches for your services as such, they would be able to provide them with the best outcomes. And I've done a bit of a word count on your homepage, and it would seem that you only have 158 words. So this would definitely need to be freshened up, maybe looked at, put a couple more keywords in there, so you can get better traction on the search platform. A couple of things I did see as well, like your phone number as such. If I go down here, it's down the very bottom of the page if I wanted to call. I'd suggest that you would have a phone number over here. So when people would be looking up your services or whatever, and it usually is on the mobile a lot of the times these days, if you have an active phone number here, all they would have to do is touch that phone number and they would be calling you immediately. At the moment, they can't do that, so they would have to actually search for that phone number down the bottom or click contact or something like that to get access to you. And every time they have to click, it takes away traffic. So definitely look at the content side of things, the headings as such. You got a contact form. We could maybe have a list of things that you do so they can actually click on that, so you'd know what the person was wanting to talk about in the first place. So that is with the content, because if I looked over at your competition, I just put in a Google search for Family Lawyer Perth, WA, and this is your main competition, which is Beacon Family Law. I had a look through their site, and on their homepage they have 2,600 words of content. So this is why they get noticed, partly why they get noticed by Google, because of that authoritative content that they try to provide for whoever's searching. So having said that, so we can do that, but if I had a look at the back end of your site, if I just go for an overview here, so it says your site with Ahrefs, which is a well-renowned tool that we use, is just about 54 million worldwide. It's ranked. So, and this here's the important number, your domain rating. So at the moment you are 1.5. This is calculated out from 0 to 100. Okay, so as you can tell, the 1.5, there's definitely room for improvement that we could do with the content, linking strategies, and so on and so forth. So that's with the content. So the next thing is the backlinks. A backlink is like a popularity contest. It is your web address being located on another website. So at the moment it says you've got 8 backlinks. Okay. You see here it says historical 70. So over the whole journey of your website, there has been 70 links. Just the nature of the beast, though, they do drop away if they're not maintained and looked at, because there's broken links. There's all sorts of little things that happen. Sometimes sites might be deleted or whatever, but whatever the reason may be, at this moment, you only have 8 backlinks, and they are coming from 6 different pages. So that's a good ratio. We need to keep this similar. It's a bit hard to do when you get more, but this helps because it's saying that these backlinks here, the 8, are coming from 6 different sites, and a lot of the time these backlinks may come just from one site. So with having 6, that's okay, but it's the power of these 6 that also makes a big difference. It does seem that the backlinks have been going up and down quite a bit there. These are your lost links. So the blue ones would be the ones that you've gained, but the yellow is the ones that you've lost. Okay, so and there are a couple of different types of links, but you know the maintenance of that is crucial and keeps your site going from power to power. So basically, like I say, a backlink is your web address located on another website, and the power that you get from the website that is has your backlink, has your web address, really does have a lot to do with how powerful that site is in the first place. If it is a really good website, quite a powerful website in any industry, you know, well then it's going to generate more power to you. If you could get a backlink from an industry type backlink where it's in your industry, your be it law or whatever, because that's going to be more relevant, more power to you rather than getting one from, you know, a toy store down the road. So it's the relevance as well. And you've got the keywords here. You've got 43 keywords that it says. If I just had a quick look at your keywords, that's obviously your name there. Gather, like, you are ranking for some of these, but the thing is they would have to be put in exactly as they are there to get any kind of thing. So you'd want keywords to be like family law Perth or something like that. With the Perth there, it keeps it local, because if you don't have Perth or a location there, like estate law sort of thing, if that was Perth, then you would be ranked differently because you'd be ranking for the local market. And at the minute, just being estate law, that's a national thing. So we'd look at a better array of keywords there that can get more work coming your way as well. So if I looked at this quickly at your opposition's back end, they're 2.4, which is good news really, because that means that we can beat them quite easily on the DR rating. They are ranked 44.5 million on the site, so they've got like 10 million positions in front. They do have 387 backlinks opposed to your 8, coming from 54 different sites. They do have 2,500 keywords, and you can see here this is a monthly thing. They say that this site generates them over $8,000 worth of business. So once again, if we just go back to your overview, where it would tell you 1.5, 8 links, 6 for 43, and $8. So we can definitely improve that stat. What's important as well is citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number on a website, be it a directory at someone else's site, your site, for example. You're probably missing the opportunity here because you don't actually have that here. Like it's called a NAP, NAP. So you'd have your name, your address, and then your phone number. Okay, so if you had that right there, that would give you one citation. And the power of the citation is for when you go to Google and do the search. This is this Family Lawyer Perth WA. When you do that, there's what's called a map pack, and then it'll have the 3 top businesses that Google believes to be there for a reason for your industry. And the reason that they are in this top 3 is because of citations. So this one here obviously has more citations than the other websites in under that keyword. So, and then you've got your organics here. So this is with the power of the backlinks get you onto this page, onto page 1 and everything. I did look through the first 10 pages for that keyword of Family Lawyer Perth, and you weren't to be found. I also had a quick look at the citations and everything, and went through I went through the top 100 businesses for this map pack, and you weren't to be found there either. But the thing is, we can change that. We can get you into this top 3 positions here, and into probably the top 5 positions on page 1 as well. And when that happens, so all these businesses here, these 3 plus say the top 5 on the top page 1, they would get 85% of the traffic for people looking for Family Lawyer Perth. You know what I mean? So it's important that we look at the citations. It's important that we look at the backlink strategies. We do a little bit of site editing, phone numbers, pictures, keyword placements, things like that. So if you feel that I might be able to give you some information or help you out, please let me know. My name is Don Green from DG Digital Services. My phone number is 0428 231 and all that information will be on the email that I'll send through. So yeah, have a great day, and I hope to be talking to you soon.